Number 5, truth number 5. Sa 2025, this 2025, walang PhilHealth subsidy. Walang PhilHealth subsidy. But the disease cases are rising. Walang subsidiya sa PhilHealth ngayong 2025. Noong 2023, ang subsidy ng gobyerno o inalat na budget ng gobyerno sa PhilHealth ay about 100 billion. Noong 2024, about 110 billion. Ngayong 2025, 0 pesos per peso. Walang binudget ang gobyerno para sa PhilHealth. Ang meron lang ang PhilHealth, ang source nito ay GAA 2025 and House Budget Reports. Ang meron lang ang PhilHealth ngayon is kung ano yung mga reserba nila. So yung reserba nila, saka yung contribution natin, okay, yung contribution natin and yung reserve, yun lang yung gagamitin doon sa zero balance billing policy. Walang dinagdag ang gobyerno sa pondo ng PhilHealth. Walang dinagdag ngayong 2025. Okay? So PhilHealth now relies solely on its 500 to 600 billion reserves. No new government funds. Wala. This 2025. I'm not sure kung sa 2026 magkakaroon, sa 2027 magkakaroon, sa 2028 magkakaroon, hindi ko alam. Pero sigurado ako sa ngayong yung 2025, yung budget for 2025, wala. Okay? At sigurado ako na majority, no, contribution pa rin natin. Yung PhilHealth ko, yung PhilHealth ni Sean, yung PhilHealth ng kung sino-sino dyan. Pero it won't be enough because lifestyle diseases are worsening. Bakit it is worsening? Kasi hindi nyo ginagawa LCIF. Lifestyle diseases are worsening. Diabetes, there are about 7.1 million Filipinos who are now suffering from diabetes. Sayo-sayo tayo ulit sa TikTok. There are about 7.1 million diagnosed plus undiagnosed Filipinos who are now suffering sa diabetes. And yan, dagok sa PhilHealth. CKD, about 2.3 million with kidney disease. Around 35,700 on dialysis. Obesity, 40% of adults are overweight or obese. Sources, PMC, PSN, DOST,